Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting math problem in which we have to find the value of this given equation and we are provided with x plus 1 over x equals to root 5. So we can find the value of the given equation by two methods. First, we can find the value of x and put in the required equation and find the required value. And second, we can try to get rid of this coefficient 47 and find the required value. So I will prefer approach 2. So let's start. We have x plus 1 over x equals to root 5. Now take a square on both sides. We get x plus 1 over x whole square equals to root 5 square. So square root will get cancelled out and we get x plus 1 over x whole square equals to 5. Also, we know a formula a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So apply this formula and we get x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 times x times 1 over x equals to 5. X to x will get cancelled out and we get x square plus 1 over x square equals to 5. These two will go to the right hand side and get subtracted. We get 3. So now we have the value of x square plus 1 over x square equals to 3. So now again take square on both sides. We get x square plus 1 over x square equals to 3 square, which is 9. So on solving this we get x raised to power 4 plus 1 over x raised to power 4 plus 2 times x square times 1 over x square equals to 9. This x square will get cancelled out with x square and we get x raised to power 4 plus 1 over x raised to power 4 equals to 9 minus 2, that is 7. Now again take square on both sides. We get x raised to power 4 plus 1 over x raised to power 4 whole square equals to 7 square, that is 49. And we get x raised to power 8 plus 1 over x raised to power 8 plus 2 times x raised to power 4 times 1 over x raised to power 4 equals to 49. This will get cancelled out and we get x raised to power 8 plus x raised to power 8 equals to 49 minus 2, that is 47. Now substitute this value of 47 in the given equation. So we have x raised to power 2030 minus 47 x raised to power 2022 plus x raised to power 2014. On substituting the value of 47, we get x raised to power 2030 minus x raised to power 8 plus 1 over x raised to power 8 times x raised to power 2022 plus x raised to power 2014. So on solving this we get x raised to power 2030 minus x raised to power 8 times x raised to power 2022 minus x raised to power 2022 over x raised to power 8 plus x raised to power 2014. So on solving this we get x raised to power 2030 minus x raised to power, they will get add, so we get x raised to power 2030 minus they will get subtracted, so we get x raised to power 2014 plus x raised to power 2014. So they will get all cancelled out and we get 0. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.